You know, what are we looking at? What do we see? I need to find something. And most times in science, you are gonna have a purpose. You know, looking at plant cell or animal cell or for the nucleus or cell dividing. This is just going up and down the hallway. Tori, what's something you noticed?
The Mickey pirate was out there. The Mickey, the pirate Mickey.
The big pirate Mickey? Okay. What did you notice?
The bullying poster down the hall.
Which one now?
There's a bullying poster.
Oh, bullying poster. Right. What did you notice?
Math lab sign.
Math lab sign. All right. Okay.
The sophomore sheet.
The sophomore sheet. Okay. Jamie?
The flag project.
The flag at the very end. All right. Leslie?
The zombie eating.
The zombie.
Library.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. What's something you observed that maybe get posters from Homecoming?
The Wonderland poster.
Wonderland poster, is that the sheet from Homecoming? Okay. And last but not least. Okay. Now, I kind of limited you on your observation or your recall of what you made. Okay? Where did I say we were gonna start down on this end of the hall?
On the double doors by the girls' bathroom.
Double doors on, okay? The zombie posters, and that's the one that makes up, where are those located at?
Down
At
the
the
other side
water.
of the double doors.
Yeah, on the other end, down by Miss Graham's office. That's fine, you observed them. Okay? How many of y'all put down, you may not have told me, but put down one of the sheets, the homecoming class signs? Are they still up? No, they're not up.
Oh.
But did I say what you observed this morning?
No.
So your reason could be, well, I've seen them sometime this past 13 weeks, or 12 weeks. Good. You see, on my part, I didn't get as specific or the purpose. Okay? When in science, you're gonna have that purpose. In scientific methods and everything, hypothesis that you're trying to prove, you're gonna have the purpose. Okay? Yeah. Anything else? Anything somebody wants to add to that?
The RC poster that you had out there last week.
Okay.
They kept the picture day poster up for like 3 weeks after it was taken. I noticed that.
Does anybody notice the poster on the door coming in the back door? Or the sign on the door?
The thing with the pirate ship. Doesn't have pirate ship on it.
I couldn't think of what it was on it. That's why I couldn't. But
What?
There's like
There's a poster on
What's
there.
on it this morning? Let's get a little bit. What's on it this morning? A little sign, not post, maybe a little sign on the door.
This is something about dates about the.
The,
Vegas, the
AR
job
test.
fair or something.
Yeah, some dates, which is scholarship or enrollment. See, I'm not even, I know there's something up there, and I'm not even sure what it's called in the past. The enrollment date when the deadline for enrolling in college and everything. Granted, Steve, how many of y'all noticed that? Okay, does that really have anything to do with you right now? No, but you did notice it, didn't you? You did notice it. Okay, Leslie, could you get the light on the, right? On the back of your paper, flip it over. I'm gonna put a picture up and how long did you keep it up? 'Cause Miss Brown was talking.
Maybe 30 seconds.
Maybe 30 seconds. Okay, you get 30 seconds to look at it as it's coming in. You may get a few seconds early if you can focus in on it. Write me, or tell me what you observe. Tell me what you see. Tell me what you coming. You're walking. You're getting closer. It's coming into focus. Got 30 seconds. Should be clear now. So go. I love cartoons like this. Wish I could draw them. some things in there, some things that are serious, some things that are comical, the things that we see and do in our everyday lives as we go through it throughout the day. Even though it's a city street, we still could say it's something that's happening at school, what's going on up and down the hallways. 5 more seconds, because I've got to look at the clock. I don't set my stopwatch on my cell phone for very easy. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I was doing some talking while you were doing that. Why do you think I was doing that talking? What was the purpose of my talking?
So,
Distract.
yeah, distract.
To distract you. Yeah. Do you have distractions in your everyday life?
Yes.
Are you gonna have some distractions when you're walking up and down the hallway?
Yes.
Are you gonna have distractions when you're probably maybe doing an experiment?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Did my distraction bother anybody?
Nope.
No? I gotta get better at it. Yes. I'm gonna get better at it. Okay? Hunter, tell me something you saw up there.
A bus.
A bus. Okay. Jamie, something you saw?
A bike, somebody on a bike running somebody over.
Okay. Megan, what'd you see?
Bookstore.
Okay. Trayvon, what'd you see?
Taxi.
Okay. Victoria, what'd you see?
The road construction.
Road construction. Amber, what'd you see?
The food court.
Okay. Somebody tell me something you saw at the very top of it.
A gym
Yeah.
on top of the business.
Okay. Somebody tell me something they saw at the very bottom.
There was,
Mailbox.
Mailbox? Go ahead, you.
there was a cart.
It was-
There was like little puff things from the bike. So I
Okay.
guess he's,
There was a
there was a water
go-kart.
fountain.
What about to the very left? Make sure I get specific.
Clothing zone.
Clothing store.
What about to the very right?
A bus.
Looked like a movie theater.
Okay. Did we all observe the same things? Or maybe did we observe different things? I guess the question I should have asked, are we gonna observe all the same things?
Yes.
Probably not. May see a lot of the same, but are we, especially, not good. Anybody else observing this making noise?
Yes. Yep. It's about to catch fire.
Land, we just put a new bulb in. Okay,
The thing's expensive.
I apologize for the malfunction.
No, it's good.
Okay? All right, if I could bring it back up, we'd try to pinpoint or show or some of the things that y'all saw, what maybe was at the top, at the bottom. We could probably even take it further at seeing where's the most of the things you wrote down, where was it on the, was it right in the middle?
Yes.
Was it right, left, up, or down? And once again, I would do that to show that everybody observes what they see or what they use, their senses they use, everybody uses at different times. We don't use our senses, and the only senses we were using here was our sight. Okay? If that does something behind my back, let me know so I can get out of the way.
Miss King.
Y'all on your own.
When we all get up and leave.
You're on
Run,
your
Mr.
own, but
Bellum.
if that, no, I shouldn't. I just-
Start smoking.
Yeah, that's what I'm, because I've done with places. Okay,
Miss Kings. Hey, shut off.
good. Cool off.
Hit me
Okay.
some water.
I was gonna show you a video and have you observe that. So we're gonna adjust a little bit. Give me a minute, let me pass,
Bless you.
Flashing.
Ow.
let me pass these out. And we'll see how we go. Gonna be another little observation exercise. But this observation, you probably gonna have to do with your imagination. You're gonna do with your imagination.
We need a, Mr. Dunn, we need another paper.
Oh,
Oh, here, we have an extra one.
going backwards today, wasn't I? Thank you. Okay. On this exercise, we're looking at making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. How many of y'all have made your own peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
The butter sticks in the spoon.
Okay.
That's why he uses
All right.
his knife.
We were gonna watch a video, and the young gentleman would have told us with steps on how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And just as I did while you was looking at the cartoon, a lot of his, or some of his instructions, a lot of them may have been a little distractive. Okay, so I don't really have the distraction for you, but these first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of questions. Okay, all these is what did he do? I want you to kind of replace that, what would you do? Okay, so hang on before we start. Let's look at these questions. How many steps did the video suggest? Well, you'll have to come up with that of your own. Okay, what kind of peanut butter did he use? You change that to what kind of peanut butter would you use? You see how I'm changing it from what he did to you? What kind of jelly did he use? What kind of jelly would you use? Okay, what did he do first? What did you do first? What did he do last? What would you do last? Everybody understand how I'm trying to change that up? We don't have a video to watch, so take 30 seconds. Think about how you would make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Get that picture in your mind. How would you make, don't write anything yet. How would you make, think about it, imagine, okay? So some things in science, especially if you watch Big Bang Theory, which one of them is a theoretical scientist? Theoretical physics means theory means you have to come up with it. Use your imagination and use what you're presenting. So use your imagination, you've got about 15 more seconds. How would I make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? I know it's not that hard, probably had to take it, so. Is everybody ready?
No.
Got 5 more seconds. Okay, take 1 minute and answer those questions on how you would make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Does that include, like, giving us a knife and stuff?
If you can be as descriptive or whatever words, however you want it. Make it however detailed you might want. And here's those first 5. Just the first 5. Got 5 more seconds. Okay. Now the second part of this, I'm gonna divide it, we're gonna go in a little bit more detail. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes. The second part, that last, can you list in order in which he made, we'll say you made the sandwich. I'm gonna let you go into maybe a little bit more detail. Okay, I'm gonna give you 2 minutes to complete that. Okay, go ahead and start.